AILEKE-W650 medium temperature blackbody radiation source. Temperature range 5650 degrees. Next, let's introduce its structure and function. This is the LCD touch display. Then take a look at the function keys on the display. In the upper left corner is the Chinese English switch button, which can be switched between Chinese and English. This is the measured temperature value. This is the measured temperature value. Then there is the time key in the upper right corner. The following is the start button. Then there is the stop button. Finally, there is the menu button. Let's take a look at the functions in the menu. First, click to enter the settings, which contains debugging parameters and temperature range. Temperature correction, sensor type. Then click the return key. Then there is heating and refrigeration. Continue to click the PID setting, and the upper and lower limits of the set temperature will be displayed. Then click the return key. Then click the curve to view. You can view the temperature rise process and record the temperature time. Finally, return to the main menu page. This is the key to turning on the electric furnace. Turn it on when measuring the temperature and turn it off at the end. This is the key to opening the thermometer. This is the temperature measuring cavity. Look at the back of the blackbody radiation source again. This is the power cord socket, which has been connected to the power cord. This is the key to turning on the fan. The fan has been turned on. Next, how to measure the infrared thermometer from the medium temperature blackbody radiation source. The power cord has been connected. Turn on the fan first. Turn on the temperature controller again. The LCD touch display will automatically enter the standby state. Then click to set the temperature and enter the temperature value to be measured 50 degrees Celsius. Press the start button again. Then turn on the power of the electric furnace. Then the blackbody radiation source began to heat up automatically. When the temperature rises to 50 degrees, use an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature value at the temperature measurement port. Then enter the next temperature 100 degrees. Then click the start button. When the temperature rises to 100 degrees, use an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature value. In the same operation, when the temperature rises to 150 degrees, continue to use an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature value. Similarly, when the temperature rises to 200 degrees Celsius, use an infrared thermometer to measure the temperature value. Finally, when the temperature rises to 300 degrees, continue to use the infrared thermometer to measure the temperature value. The maximum temperature of this medium temperature blackbody radiation source can rise to 650 degrees. Then there is the cooling process. Click the stop button first. Turn off the electric stove button again. Then the blackbody radiation source began to cool down automatically. When the temperature is about 70 degrees, turn off the temperature controller button. Finally, turn off the fan and cut off the power. This medium temperature blackbody radiation source can measure infrared thermometer, radiation thermometer, infrared thermal imager, radiation temperature, sensing detector, and other products.